Do your kitchen drawers look more like a messy mystery box than a functional space? Let's turn that clutter into a system you'll love using every single day. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll be sharing practical and effective kitchen drawer organization tips that make cooking faster, cleaning easier, and your kitchen a lot more enjoyable. Drawer organization simply means arranging your kitchen items in a way that saves space, keeps things easy to find, and reduces daily stress. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Empty your drawers completely and wipe them clean. Step 2. Sort items by category: utensils, gadgets, spices, or tools. Step 3. Decide what you use daily and what can be stored elsewhere. Step 4. Place dividers, trays, or organizers inside your drawers. Step 5. Assign each section a purpose and put everything back neatly. Tools. You'll need drawer dividers, cutlery, trays, or small storage bins. These can be made of plastic, bamboo, or metal. Measuring tape is also handy to ensure a perfect fit. Quick tips: keep utensils near the stove, knives in a safe divider, and baking tools together. Always store rarely used items in the back and everyday tools in the front. Cost comparison: a simple plastic organizer can cost as little as a few dollars, while custom bamboo dividers may range higher but last longer. It's all about balancing your budget and needs. Think of it like this: empty, sort, assign, organize, maintain. Follow this workflow once, and maintaining order becomes effortless. Notes: as someone who has worked with home setups, I can tell you that well-organized drawers not only save time, but also extend the life of your utensils and gadgets by preventing scratches and damage. So today, we cleared, categorized, and reorganized our drawers with simple tools, affordable solutions, and a system that truly works. If these tips inspired you to organize your kitchen drawers, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more smart home